Gambino. I'm a licensed physical therapist and certified Pilates instructor. I'm here today to show you how to do some postural strapping techniques using a yoga strap. This technique is just used for a way to stretch the shoulders, open up the chest, maybe drop the shoulders down a little bit if you tend to be a hiker. And it's simple and easy, and all you need is a strap. So this strap is 8 foot long. I find these to be optimal for stretching and for doing all the postural strapping and stuff that I do. It has D-rings, and these are also helpful. So if you have a buckle, it might be a little bit more awkward to do this first one, but the D-rings are really, they're durable, they last a long time, and it's easy to do the stretching and the releasing of it. So you're gonna make your strap into a nice big loop. So I just buckled it, made a nice big circle, and then you're gonna put it over one shoulder, okay? Make sure that you have the tail end kind of hanging downward on your dominant side, because you're going to be doing some pulling. And then you're going to put it on like a backpack. So this is called the backpack method. Make sure that you're not twisted up or anything like that. It's going to go over the base of your neck, and then just like a backpack. Okay, now you have this little pull here. You're going to start to pull. And as you pull, just move that buckle back up to your shoulder, pull down, move that buckle back up, keep pulling until you start to get a little bit of pressure on the base of your neck, okay? And then do it one more time and make sure it's tight. This is the biggest mistake that I see in classes that I do, is that I go around to adjust and everybody's strap is too loose. It needs to be tight, okay? And then once you get there where you're feeling that pressure on the base of your neck, you're gonna take this top of the strap and just move it downward. So it kind of bisects the deltoids here, and you can see across my back, it's pulling my shoulders back. So it's as if I came to you and went and pulled your shoulders back. So you can see from the side that it really makes my shoulders come into alignment with my torso, and that way my head can come back into alignment, and you're just gonna let that sit there for a little while and stretch the muscles. So maybe 5 to 10 minutes, no longer than that. And then of course you'll go into your other exercises like snow angel or any other pec stretches that you do to open up this chest so that we can get better upper back posture. Now, quick release, just lift that D-ring and up, and then you can pull down. A little awkward, but it works. And then take it off like a coat, okay? Now, the next method, I call it cross your heart method, and this one, you gotta unbuckle your strap. So that's the hardest part, is getting that buckle undone here. So you can see therapist struggles with the straps. We're either untying things like TheraBands or straps. It's always a struggle. So you have one long strap, okay? Put it behind you. It's gonna go right out across your upper back and right underneath your armpits, and then kind of even out your tails on each side, because you're gonna need even tails. All right, and then you're gonna throw one over your shoulder, throw the other one over your shoulder, okay? Have them right across the front of your shoulders here. Reach back, grab your straps, so you have one on each hand, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to cross it, okay? So this is where, if you have that nice long 8-foot strap, make sure they're not all tangled up, which mine might be. I can't see back there. I feel like it is. So there. All right, so you have a handle then on each side, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull down kind of like an angle, and you can see as I pull, it drops the shoulders down, and you can just hold. You're gonna breathe. So take an inhale, and then as you exhale, pull the straps down. And you're gonna get a depression of the shoulder as well as an opening up of the front of the shoulder. So if you have those shoulders that round forward, this is gonna be a nice way to kind of open things up. You're in total control of this. If you have enough strap, you can buckle it across the front of your body and let yourself just have it on for about 5 to 10 minutes again. But again, this is used in conjunction with your other postural stretches that you do to help open up the chest. Hope that helps to give you just an option during your day, maybe if you're sitting at meetings at your desk, or you tend to have a job that you sit a lot. That's a nice little, throw the strap in your bag, do some stretches with that. You can also pop down on the floor if you can, do some hamstring stretches. Strap is very functional. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments box below, and any ideas of things you'd like me to do for videos, please drop them below. And any information about me as far as online classes and any other information about my books is all in the description box below. So I hope you kind of look down there and see what's going on. So I'd love to see you in a class. So thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.